We're gonna release Barbie first. First time in the field. We're gonna release fire. And we releasing BB. Come on. This is their first time outside. So today should be the first time they'll be exposed to any outside pathogens. Look at BB, looks beautiful. BB's beautiful. Oh, BB's pooping. So it may seem that when you have a puppy inside, it has a lot of energy, but that's because the puppy needs to be outside running and learning how to get his bearings under his feet. And if you see BB, she's standing out the most. She's a very, very beautiful dog.
Get the dog.
Move, they're trying to eat the little deer poos. Get away. We'll deworm them today. You can't stop them from eating that deer poo. Look at him running. The three amigos. The three Bambinos. You can zoom in on them. Pull it up. The three Bambinos. Right here, this is fire. Lilac Try. Rarigos. Then you got Barbie. The Fawn. And she gotta learn to get her legs under her BB. You got BB. Big girl. Beautiful. We're producing nothing but the highest quality puppies ever, guys. So, yeah, that's what it is. And we're gonna show you what their grandfather can do. Grandpa! 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 Woo! Grandpa! Whoa! Go. Bishop's been patiently sitting in the house for a week waiting to come out here and do that. He's very weird. He sleeps 98.9% of the time. Literally. And his grandkids are just bullying him. Go get it, boy. They can't keep up with their grandpa. Now I'm gonna do something that I never, did before. I'm gonna start implementing the treat factor. So now these guys already listen, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call everyone and give them a treat. Bishop! Krypton, come here. Come here, girls. Come here. Sit. Krypton. Look. Want a treat, boy? Look, baby. Want a treat, boy? Implementing the treats. Krypton, come on. Krypton's so charged up, she don't even care about the treats. But Bishop do. Which is weird, because Bishop is a picky eater. I'm trying to get them to come here, babe. Come here, puppy. Come on. Here, puppy, 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 puppy. They're so anxious, they're not even worried about these treats. Yeah, puppy, puppy, puppy. So I'm calling them, and I'm giving them treats. BB! No, you don't get no more. Come here, BB. Yeah, there you go. All beef hot dogs. Sit. Y'all say I don't got no trained dogs. Watch this. Bishop, sit. Go. I mean, she is totally charged up. I dewormed him not too long ago, and it seemed like at some point I gave him dewormers and different things, and this one right here has really gotten an energy boost.
If you don't use Zoom, you don't know what you're looking at.